Updating your sensor configuration through the GUI. Now that the sensor has been positioned, I'll walk you through the sensor configuration process. This is very straightforward and can be done in two manners. The first is through the NodeNs GUI. The GUI currently has versions for Windows, Unix, and Android. When starting up the GUI, the first step is to ensure that you're on the same network as the sensor and gateway. The easiest way to do this is to connect directly to the gateway's broadcasted Wi-Fi. You may then connect to the MQTT broker by selecting the appropriate IP address. If you're connecting through the provided gateway device, this will default to 10.3.141.1. Click Connect, wait a few seconds for the network to pick up all connected sensors, and then select your root sensor and the sensor you wish to update, if different from the root. Voila! You may check the current sensor room configuration by clicking the Read Config button. You can update the sensor configuration by entering the room or monitoring area size directly and then pressing Send Config. Or you may use the automated room configuration process by clicking Auto Config. We highly recommend that you use this second procedure. To start the configuration process, click the Start button and wait a few seconds for the sensor to recalibrate. It will then look for the closest person in front of it, so move around slightly so it can detect you after reboot. Then, just walk around the room or virtual zone that you wish to monitor, and when you're back to the sensor, then click the Stop Configuration button. That's it. If you would like to see the data coming from the sensor, then click on the Data tab, press the Full Data button, and the sensor data will be available for you to see.